Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to build credit. Welcome to this video. I'm going to teach you how to build credit. So building a credit is about showing that you can borrow money responsibly and pay it back on time. So here is a sample or a small guide to how to build a credit. So get started. So number one, understand how credit works. So your credit score is a number that shows lenders how reliable you are with money based on things like paying bills on time, how much you owe, and how long you've had credit accounts. Number two, start with a beginner credit option. Secure credit card, you deposit some money estimated to 100 like that and becomes your spending limit. Use it for small things and pay the bill on time every month. And credit builder loan, these small loans are made to help people build credit. You make payments monthly and it shows up on your credit report. Number three, pay all bills on time. The most important rule, late payments hurt your credit scores. Set up automatically payment or reminders so you never miss a date. Number four, keep credit card balance low. Don't max out on your credit card. Try to use less than 30% of your credit limit. For example, if your limit is 500, keep the balance under 150. And next, be patient and consistent. Keep accounts open for a long time. A longer credit history improves your score. And don't apply for too many credit cards or loans at once. This can make you lo- look risky. Number six, check your credit report. Look at your credit report free, for free once a year. So you can look at it for sites like maybe annualcreditreport.com. You can look it there if you want, and make sure there are no mistakes like accounts you don't rec. Number seven, use credit responsibly. That's the last one. So borrow only what you can afford to pay back. Treat credit like a tool, not money. So building credit takes time, but with good habits, you'll see your score grow steadily. And here's a tip for you guys: always pay your bills on time, even if it's just the minimum payment. This builds trust with lenders and has the biggest impact on your credit score. That's just a small tip for you guys. Actually, that's like a huge tip, but yeah. There you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any question about the credit cards, feel free to type it down in the comment section below. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.